Have you ever been somewhere and felt deep down like you belong? Like you're exactly where you're meant to be? There are places in Portugal that give me that feeling. The energy of these places stirs something deep inside of me, and I still don't fully understand where it comes from or why I feel this way. But I'm going to try and figure it out. Maybe it has something to do with genetics. They say we inherit so much from our parents. Our traits, behaviors, and physical features, all through the genetics. The way someone stands with their hands behind their back, the way they play with their hair, how they walk, their eye color, even the shape of their hands, all shaped by the genetic material passed down from our parents. That's just science. Looking back now, I realize how happy my father was when we were together, especially when we were outdoors, soaking in the beauty of nature. That stuck with me. It's taken me 30 years to put it into words and to fully understand it. Let's hope it doesn't take another 30 years to appreciate Portugal's natural beauty in a deeper and more connected way. I grew up in South Africa, where there is no shortage of natural beauty. And I really enjoyed being in the outdoors, especially with my dad when we'd go hiking, or we'd go on vacations. We'd be exploring beaches, rivers, mountains. And those are some of my favorite and fondest memories that I have. Unfortunately, back then, my focus wasn't on enjoying nature and being in nature. It was more being with family and with friends. And usually trying to make them laugh at my own expense. So why now, in Portugal, do I feel this deep connection to nature and a pull toward these old, sacred places? I think it's because I've always loved nature, and I'm most at peace in it, because the same is probably true of my father. My dad often says in conversations, "Son, it's all genetic. It's in the genes." And you know what? I think he's right.